One of the best places to visit here in Tudingan, in Naguilian, is the Tudingan Falls, although I think it is closed for tourists these days, but I think it is safe to swim at this time. It's not so deep, and at this moment I'm so alone, and there are just some frequent visitors because of the traces of trash they have left. So that's the entrance coming from the highway. It's about 7 minutes walk from the highway, and I think the falls is magnificent during the rainy seasons, but at these times the water is not so not so much. As you can see, there it goes, but the water really down here is very cool and inviting without the sun. So the best time to swim here is early in the morning, between 6 a.m. to maybe 9 a.m. That's the best time to swim, but I don't know if there are regulations from the municipality regarding of entry in these falls. But for residents, it's okay to just come here and swim. There it is. So I'll take one selfie.